Hey, yo, guys, what's good? Okay, so you can see now that Bitcoin is now starting to drop to the downside and test the M2 pivot zone again, dropping on the 15-minute time frame, vector candle on the 15-minute time frame. Now I'm going to show you how to effectively trade these candlesticks. All right, so I'm going to show you now in another 3 more minutes. This is when this candle will start to turn. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring up, have this chart right here. Have this chart right here and then open up a new chart. Where is it? Let's close that. Close that. Close that. Where are you? Here we go. Not that one. Not that one. Right, okay then, let's zoom in. Okay then, cool. Ah, shit. Fuck it. Don't matter. Let's just wait and see how it's going to play out on this time frame right now. 2 more minutes until the candle finalizes. I'm going to be looking at placing an entry. 2 more minutes. This is just to demonstrate to you understanding of exploiting these little candlesticks. Looks like an inverted head and shoulders on the 15-minute time frame. Happy days, yeah? Pay attention to that. 1, 2. Now this is what we're forming. 3. All right. Now we've got 2 more minutes. Literally a minute and a half. Let's see how this one plays out. Holding the M2 zone. If it breaks below, then we are in a bit of a situation. We could look to recover this green candle right here as we anticipated. Or we're going to get a nice little spike. So I'm going to flip over to the 1 minute time frame. Here we go. Now we're going to see. This is a point of entry. Here we go. So RSI is outside the volatility band. Okay, we got 30 more seconds. Have we got to see? Is this a new vector candle? Here we go. Not yet. Not yet. Still not in sight. 3, 2. Oh, sorry. A minute left. Come on. 45 seconds. Come on, start making your move, bouncing. All right, now this is where I'll make my entry. Okay, I'm going to make my entry to anticipate that this is going to be the recovery of the candle. So here we go. Bang, we're in. So we've made the long. Okay, price could actually now spike up towards the 50 EMA on the 1 minute time frame. Let's drop over to the 15-minute time frame and let's see if their intention is solid there. 3. Look how aggressive they're getting towards the final closing of that candle. It actually may even continue down lower. But this is what I'm trying to get you guys to understand when you're entering on these vector candles. This is an advanced strategy, guys, and you have to be prepared to get in and get out. All right, if it doesn't go your way, you get in. You get out of your trade and look to reverse again, or wait for the next vector. Wait for the candle that corresponds. Here we go. Here's the next candle. So let's see how this one plays out. See the aggressive move up, aggressive move. Is that the spike? Is that the vector from the 15-minute time frame? This is effectively would be forming what we understand to be the third hit on the 15-minute time frame for an inverted head and shoulders or variation of a W. It looks like it's a small W, but let's see how this one plays out. 5-minute time frame, flip across. Here we go. No vectors on there. 1 minute time frame. Let's see what they're doing now. Here we go. Now RSI is coming back into the volatility band. Now the move looks like it needs to come back up to the 50 EMA. That would be my target on the 1 minute time frame. Let's see how it plays. There's the aggressive candle. This should turn green if their intention is to move out of this zone. Come back down to the 15-minute time frame. What are we seeing? There you go. Nice little spike there. This is what it's about, guys. Trying to catch these little moves. All right, because this is where you step in a high probability zones, but also high probability doesn't always guarantee that it's gonna go your favor. All right, and this is where you have to be paying attention and oh shit, and start getting ready to take what you can. Oh, for God's sake, need to get rid of that. Here we go. Here we go. Getting ready to close it. Got my there's the move. Are we looking to get the recovery of that candle? Moving back up. There she goes. Come on. Back to the 5 EMA on the 15-minute time frame. Is this move valid? This is a quick stop, hunt low, and then rise out of the zone. Here we go. There's your move right there, guys. There's your move. Now I'm going to be looking. Nice little pump right there. Here we go. There she goes. There's your pump. There's your pump. Get back to the 50. Back to the 50. Come on. It's gone above the 5 and the 13. Come on. Finish up on the 13 EMA. Finish above it. Now I'm going to get ready to close my trade. Come on. Keep going. We've got these vector candles up in sight, so I may even hold it to see if it will recover those zones. Then we know that the intention is sound. Look at the RSI pointing upwards. As it's coming down to the lows, volume is starting to slow down. Here we go. Come on. This is the treachery of the 1 minute time frame, guys. Remember that. Very treacherous zone. It can do it, and then it can come straight back. All right, so let's look back at the 15, see where we are with that candlestick, okay? They are manipulating this zone very much. Okay, then. Let's see what we can get from this point here. All right, I'm going to pause this video. I'm going to stop this video, and then I'm going to come back towards it because I want to try and get an update over to you guys. One last push. Come on. One last push before it actually comes towards the next candle. Here we go. Ah, you see? That there. That there. Did you see that? That little spike down. That gives me the inkling that they are going to try and go back up at a later point, but they're just not finished with this zone just yet. This is to take out the stops. Am I going to now look to close my trade? Potentially. Let's see. See what I mean about the 1 minute time frame, guys? There can be a lot of inconsistencies with it. You can, you know, you're always on edge, but you have to maintain composure. There's nothing emotional about my trading right now. I am continuously going over what is going on in the chart because that's all you can do. Focus on what is happening right now. That's what's important. Focus on the entity of the trade. What are they trying to show you? What are they trying to make the retail trader to think? Right now, they've just triggered the guys to go short. Now they're going to look to work their shorts. Look at that gap down in price. That right there is very interesting. Spike up. Come on. There we go. If we've understood the zone correctly, small consolidation in and around the 5 and the 13 EMA. Look at how each candle keeps on just going towards the high, coming back. There she goes. Come on, recovery of this candle and this area here to give me inkling that they do want to go back to the 50. Price always comes back to the 50. That's one thing I can guarantee to you guys. Look at the pushes. You see the pushes, yeah? Where are we at? 39. 39 minutes to, okay, cool. Make the push. Make the push. 5 minute time frame. Where you at? There you go. Stopping play that is. 1, 2, 3 pins to the low. 15 minute time frame. Where you at? Not finishing so strongly yet. Where we at with this? 10 more minutes. Still got a little while yet. And looking to come up. They need to hit the... There she goes. There's the pump. Come on. Pay attention to these candlesticks, guys. They are so important. There's the 50. 50 in sight. I'm going to get ready to close my trade. Pay yourself. That's the nature of this game. When you're scalping, you pay yourself. Recovery of the first vector candle, but look at how they're coming back down now. They've hit the cloud of the 50. Will this continue up? Come on. Look at them working the spread. Pay attention to the spread. That's what you need. All right, there's the pump. Another pump right there. There, see the spread working up. They're taking the orders. They're hitting people's stops to fulfill their liquidity requirements. Now they're going to look to try and come up here. The 50 is going to be a very interesting zone right now. Now, this is where I'm going to be saying to myself, right, I need to get out. And remember, guys, yeah, I'm entering in a small trade right now, but the fundamental thing is the accuracy of the trade. Look at my drawdown. Very minimal drawdown. Okay? That's what it's about. The accuracy of entries is what's going to pay you in the future. All right? Now they've hit the 50. They need to hit this 50 line. The baby blue line is what they need to hit for me to grant that they are going to see higher prices. All right? But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to look to try and get out of this trade. Granted, it could continue up from there. I don't care. But I need to preserve my entries as such. Get out. There she is. All right. So I'm closing my trade because it's coming to the cloud. All right. And it come back into the market baseline right there. That's what you need to try and do, guys. It's that sort of breakdown in price where for a scalper, you know, you always got to pay yourself. Get in, get out. Get in, get out. Now that I'm out of the trade, I can sit back. I can relax. I can get ready to look for the next zone. Okay? I hope that helps you guys. Peace.